Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Here we are, fitted the S&S motor, but we need bigger injectors. Okay, stands at 3.9, we've got some 6.2 fueling. Okay, top of the range fueling or twin tech, both as good. Okay, this one is 6.2 grams a second, you know, plug straight in. Okay, so what we're going to do is basically we have lifted the tank up, as you can see, jammed a oil bottle underneath, still held at the front, and then we've taken the motor steady off, unplugged the injectors. Okay, so the injectors are unplugged. As you can see, here's the motor mount, there's the horn. Once you've taken them off, saves you stripping all the manifold off anyway. But as you can see now, you can get in properly. Now basically we're going to undo this centre bolt. This is the injector clamp bolt, if you like, which I've actually slackened. But this actually comes off. And this, looking at this, whoever refitted them last time has done a shit job, because this is that loose. You know, the O-rings are pretty shot, to be honest with you. So possibly the reason we were getting such a bad reading as well is the look at them O-rings. You know, they should have really been replaced last time. Anyway, we've got the fuelings to put in, so basically we're going to unclip these, or we're actually going to put the injectors in first and then take these off. Okay, and this is like your fuel rail. So basically your new fuelings, you know, they're going to basically go straight in place of this. But this way it does save you a lot of messing around. As you can see there, the injector holes, make sure no crap goes in there, obviously. So basically these, okay, direct replacement for these. Okay, so basically as you can see, we're going to put these in here. These are a bigger 6.2, which means basically the middle bit, you don't even see it, but basically that hole inside this thing will be bigger. Okay, not obviously visible here, but also with it having good new O-rings on, this should seal way better than before. Because looking at these are absolutely knackered. So, you know, looking at the state of these, they really aren't good. And then basically we're just going to put the new injectors in. So we're going to clean that out, pop these in here, okay, and then put your fuel rail on, and that should be it. Then we're going to try the twin tech S&S 124. The 3.9 injectors are nothing like big enough. So if you need any parts for your S&S's or whatever, give us a bell, 01773835666. There's the twin tech tuner, which is obviously connected up to your twin tech ECU. This is a full Wago 3D, which basically is a fully auto tuning electronic ignition and fuel processor. Give us a bell, 01773835666. Alternatively, www.customcruisers.com, or the new site customcruisers.eu. Not a lot on there, but a lot easier to navigate. Thank you.